Here are 3 types of guys that girls are obsessed with. Have you ever noticed how some guys just effortlessly attract women? They're not rich, they're not even the best looking in the room, but for some reason girls are drawn to them like magnets. It's not witchcraft, it's psychology. Today I'm breaking down the 3 types of guys that girls are secretly obsessed with. And if you fall into any of these categories, especially the last one, you can pull girls easily without even realizing it. The guy who genuinely doesn't care about women. Now, this one triggers people, but it's true. Girls are naturally drawn to guys who aren't chasing them. Think about it. When every other guy is double texting, replying to every story, and begging for attention, you stand out just by not caring. Most guys out there spending their whole day refreshing Instagram and trying to get a girl's attention. Girls can sense the desperation, and it's a total turnoff. I mean, a guy who has women as his last priority. Your mission is your number 1. Your gym routine is number 2. Your side hustle, your friends, your family, they all come before you even think about chasing a girl. If you are one of those guys, then you already have a massive advantage. This doesn't mean you hate women or act arrogantly. It means you have priorities, your goals, your money, your peace. You'd rather spend your time leveling up than scrolling through a girl's feed trying to impress her. And the crazy part? That indifference is magnetic, because when you stop chasing, women start wondering, why doesn't he care about me like the others? And that curiosity turns into attraction. So if women aren't your main focus right now, congratulations. You're already winning without knowing it. The guy who is just tall. Let's be honest, height plays a role. If you're anything above 5 feet 8 inches, you're already considered tall to most women, because statistically, most girls are under that 5 feet 8 inches. Now, before you short kings start crying in the comments, relax. It's not about height alone, it's about presence. Some guys are 5 feet 7 inches but carry themselves like they're 6 feet 3 inches. That's posture, confidence, voice tone, the way you move, all of it. I'm not saying if you're shorter you can't pull girls. Of course you can. That's what the other 2 types are for. But height is a cheat code. If you happen to be taller, that's an automatic advantage. It subconsciously signals protection and dominance. Traits women have been wired to find attractive for thousands of years. So yeah, if you're tall, use it. But if you're not, learn to walk and talk like you don't care, because confidence is taller than height. The guy who uses the ghost method. Now, this one is deadly. The ghost method is what makes women obsess over you. Here's how it works. You give them energy, you build a connection, you make them feel seen. Then suddenly, you disappear. No texts, no calls, no attention, just gone. And what happens next? Their brain goes into overdrive. They replay every conversation, every moment, wondering what they did wrong. You become a mystery, and mystery is irresistible. The ghost method works because humans crave closure. When they don't get it, they chase it. Now, I'm not saying to manipulate anyone. Use this responsibly, because when done right, it creates tension and attraction. When done wrong, it just makes you look toxic. If you've ever used this method, intentionally or not, you already know how powerful it is. You don't have to be perfect to be attractive. You just need to understand what makes people tick. People value what's scarce. When your energy becomes rare, it becomes desirable. And if you have no idea what the ghost method really is, drop a comment saying ghost method, and I'll break it down in the next video. Now listen carefully. Noir wisdom is a movement that equips you with the psychology and mindset to dominate your life. If this video gave you an edge, I've got 100 more waiting for you. Subscribe to the channel right now. Don't miss the next step in your transformation. Your power is waiting.